So I wanted to do a video right quick. I see this question asked multiple times a day in the 651 Vinyl Facebook group about fonts not working in Inkscape or Design Space. And you need to install them for all users. Since Windows did an update a few months back, I don't know if the fonts got directed to a different folder or what, but now you have to install them for all users in order to use them in those programs. So I'm here on dafont.com and I found this font. So I'm going to click download, and in Chrome it'll download here. You can click on this little arrow and show it in the folder, and it'll open up your Explorer. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to extract all. Okay, don't just double click on it, extract it. All right, so I'm going to extract it, and now I have two of the same. One is a zip folder and the one that I just extracted. So I can move this one to my external hard drive, or I can delete it, or whatever I want to do with it. And then I'm going to right click on the Great Wishes. No, I'm not. I'm going to double click on it. Sorry about that. To open that folder. As you can see, it's a folder. Okay, so double click on it to open it. And here's the font, open type font file. If you have a true type font file and an open type font file, install the open type. Okay, that's going to have any extra glyphs that come with it if if it's a paid font, or some of them even have them that you don't have to pay for. So, okay, here's the font file. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on this and I'm going to install for all users. It's going to pop up, say that it's, well, it's already installed, so but that's all right. It'll pop up and it'll say installing, okay? And then once that goes away, it's installed, okay? So now I can open my Cricut Design Space. There's also another way to do this. It's a lot more steps, but I'm going to go ahead and put those directions in the description of the video. If you're having issues, you can always PM me. I can help you there. So I'm waiting on Cricut Design Space to open. Here we go. My computer's a little slow tonight. I haven't actually been on it in a couple of days. That's probably why. It's been asleep. So as most of you know, or maybe you don't know, Cricut Design Space is going offline tonight. So if get on the web page, or you go to the web address, it's not going to work. FYI. So make sure you download the desktop version. I'm trying to get this within my screen here so you can see everything I'm doing. And they're doing a lot of updates. So every time you open it, you may have updates, you may have things that you need to approve, whatever. Just go ahead and go through the steps. Eventually they'll have everything worked out and it'll be good to go. All right, so click on a new project here. Click on my text tool, type out a word. Then I'm going to click on this down arrow on where the font is. I'm going to click on System Font, and I'm going to go ahead and type in the font name, Great Wishes. Here it is. So it's been installed and working in Design Space. So I can go ahead and then I'll open Inkscape and I'll type out the same. Well, I need the text tool though. And then I'll type in Great Wishes, or just great, and there it is. So now it's been installed. It's working in both programs. So like I said, I'll put the description in the description the other way to do it, in case this way is not helping. So hopefully it will. If you have any questions, like I said, you can PM me or you can leave a comment on this video. Get a hold of me in the 651 Vinyl Facebook group, not the 651vinyl.com group, because that's the business page. All right. Thanks for watching.